Ekta Chawla and I'm a first year UX design student at Sushant University. I have been associated with Sushant University and ImaginXP for almost a year now, and my experience has been amazing. The ImaginXP it is a great platform for designers like us, for people like me, because the energy that I have, it needs to be channelized, and the thoughts, again, they have to be put into some use. I really had no idea that I'd be pursuing UX design. But when I heard of Sushant University and ImaginXP being associated with this university, with this particular course, it did not take much time for me to decide that UX is for me, and this is something I really want. It's a great amalgamation of technology and design. And if we talk about my subjects, introduction to visual design tools, UX design, I have worked on softwares like Figma, Photoshop, Illustrator, and I've designed logos, I've redesigned them, and I've learned great UI tools, how to make contextual studies, and how to make great layouts with different design thinking strategies, all that, and it has been an amazing experience till now. UX design it is a platform for designers like us where it's a great amalgamation for design and technology. And since I've joined this university, the faculty has been so welcoming, and my experience has been really good. I have got to learn so many different things. I've experienced design thinking, and while I've been through different subjects, I've tried different softwares, I've worked on them, and my experience again has been tremendous. Thank you.